Hello guys. Today I want to share what we my two vendors that we consider in selecting cloud vendors. Uh, the first one is the Cloudflare and the other one is the Bunny.net. They have both offer free plans. Uh, it says here they have both free plans but different strengths. Okay, let's go to the strengths of Cloudflare. It says here Cloudflare pre-plan excels in security, offering strong DDoS protection and a web application firewall. Okay, uh, the only limitation in Cloudflare free plan is the wall application firewall is a basic one. It offers the basic one. While the Bunny.net free plan, each strand is offer a CDN service that is faster than Cloudflare and includes DDoS protection. But the limitation is it has a limited bandwidth and storage compared to Cloudflare. We don't we don't need okay. As for this one, we have selected Cloudflare. Yeah. We have selected Cloudflare Cloud Vendor because it's free. We will only pay for the monthly subscription of our software, the Roller software. It is used in a bowling business. Why we have chosen the Cloudflare? Oops. Because it's free, the it does not have a service level agreement, and, and this is our evaluation. Why we choose Cloudflare. Even though it is not a replacement for web hosting, when you proxy it in Cloudflare, it will copy important files to the nearest zone that you are located for faster access. Even though your server, the main server of the software is too far before the zone, from the zone, it will provide a copy that, that is nearest to you. And the second one, it is free to use. Even though the Cloudflare is not for the beginners, but it is easy to learn. And lastly, because it copies the some files from the your web hosting, it speeds up the our experience and protects our websites. And also, why we have chosen Cloudflare, because our data is not that too many. It only uh, we will only need the customer information and our profit within every day. That's all. Thank you.